Welcome to Biz Analyst. Please follow the next steps to remove any company from the Biz Analyst app. Click on the up arrow on your system tray next to the clock. And click on Biz Analyst logo to open up the desktop app. Let's say I want to delete the company SV Demo Company permanently from my list. To do so, first go to Edit Companies. Click on Edit. And then click on Additional Settings. Now click on Delete Company. Click on Delete Company again to confirm the action. As you can see, SV Demo Company got removed and is now seen on the left side. Click Done to go back to the home screen. Deleting company from the desktop app will remove the data from the PC, server, and your mobile app completely. It's that easy to remove your company and wipe off your data from the desktop app. You can add the same company again at any point in time. Thank you for watching the video. If you need any help, please feel free to reach out to us. Have a good day.